Hello, welcome to our presentation for Calculus project. For your information, we are students of University Malaysia Kelantan from course SEB1. My name is Nur Hazira and I will be the one who represent my group members which are Sifa Amina, Erin Farisha, Muhammad Fadil Fitri and Nurul Hafiza. As for this project, we are choosing chapter 1 that is limit and derivative part E, that is one-sided limit and continuity.
One-sided limits. In a one-sided limit, only a single number of the function is calculated, which could be either right-handed or left-handed limit.
For right-handed limit, function of x must be sufficiently close to a and x greater than a without actually letting x be a. As for left-handed limit, function of x must be sufficiently close to a and x less than a without actually letting x be a.
Continuity. A function f is continuous at x equal to a when function of a is defined, limit as x approaches a, function x exists, and limits as x approaches a of f of x equal to function of a.
Otherwise, f is said to be discontinuous at x equal to a. This question shows the mathematical modeling examples of real-life problems using calculus concept. A study of driving costs of cars found that the average cost measured in cents per kilometer is approximated by A of x equal to 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8, where x denotes the number of kilometer in thousands of kilometer the car is driven in a year. To get the solution of A question, let x be the number of kilometer in thousands of kilometer. Limit of x approaches to 5 of A of x equal to limit of x approaches to 5 of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. So, we just need to replace 5 into x. When we calculate it, we will get the answer 76.07. Limit of x approaches to 10 of A of x equal to limit of x approaches to 10 of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. So we just replace 10 into x and we will get the answer 30.48. Limit x approaches to 25 of A of x equal to limit x approaches to 25 of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. So we need to replace 25 into x. We will get the answer 19.49. For solution B, we need to solve this using right-sided limit and left-sided limit. Plus symbol is for right-sided limit and negative symbol is for left-sided limit. As for right-sided limit, limit x approaches to 0 of A of x equal to limit x approaches to 0 of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. So we need to replace 0 into x. So the answer will be infinity plus 17.8. So the final answer will be infinity. But for this right-sided limit, it will be positive infinity. For left-sided limit, limit of x approaches to 0 of a of x equal to limit x approaches to 0 of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. Same as before, we need to replace 0 into x. So the answer will be infinity plus 17.8. The final answer will be negative infinity as this is left-sided limit. Limit x approaches to 0 of a of x at right-sided limit is unequal to limit of x approaches to 0 of a of x in left-sided limit. Therefore, limit x approaches to 0 of a of x does not exist. For C, what happened to the average cost as the number of kilometers driven increases without bond? So, the number of kilometers driven increases without bond will be infinity. So, for the right-sided limit, limit x approaches to infinity of a of x equal to limit x approaches to infinity of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. So, when we replace infinity into the equation, the answer will be 0 plus 17.8. The final answer is 17.8. For left-sided limit, limit x approaches to infinity of a of x equal to limit x approaches to infinity of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. If we replace infinity into this equation, it will get 0 plus 17.8. The final answer will be the same as right-sided limit, that is 17.8. So, if the limit x approaches to infinity of a of x at right-sided limit equal to limit x approaches to infinity of a of x at left-sided limit, therefore, limit x approaches to infinity of a of x is exists. For question D, discuss and determine the continuity of a of x at x equal to 20. The solution is a of 20 equal to 2010 divided by 20 power of 2.2 plus 17.8. The answer will be 20.56. So the right-sided limit, limit x approaches to 20 of a of x equal to limit x approaches to 20 of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. So, when we replace 20 into x, the answer will be 20.56. For the left-sided limit, limit x approaches to 20 of a of x equal to limit x approaches to 20 of 2010 divided by x power of 2.2 plus 17.8. When we replace 20 into x, the answer will be the same as before, that is 20.56. Therefore, a of x is continuous at x equal to 20. Thank you.